And we are going to learn about the statistical formula in Excel. So here is the data we have, all the marks for few students, and these are the formula which we are going to learn today. So sample size is, what does it mean? It means that how many students do we have in this data set. So to begin with, we have to put count function and just select these all these values. This is our sample size of this data set. What does sample size text means? It means that for example, if we put Shekhar over here, then you can see that this formula has changed and number value has changed from 19 to 18. But in count a formula, like second option, once we select the entire cell, it will count non-empty cells as well. So once we hit enter, it gives us 19. Okay, let me get back to 50. And what is the average of this data set? So we simply can put average formula over here and select the entire data set. And this is our average for the average marks for the entire data set. Now, the best part of this statistical formula is that whatever the function or the purpose it serves is the name of this formula. So for like if we have to see for median, median means middle value of any data set. So we just have to put median and we have to select the entire data set from here. And then this is the median middle value of this data set. What is the mode? Like mode is like most commonly repeated marks in the entire data set. So once we put mode formula over here by selecting this one and selecting the entire marks range. So this is the mode for this data set. What is the maximum value? So we have to put max function for this, and we have to select this data set. This is max of this data set. What is the minimum value? So you just have to put min, and then you have to select this entire data set and hit enter. This is the minimum value. Then we have to calculate percentile. So it is quite similar to percentage. So in this we have to put percentile formula. So percentile formula is like over here, and we have to select array, two argument are array and k. So array is this the entire range of the marks, and then we have to select the k. K is with a value, like over here we have to put 0.25 as 25th percentile. Reason behind it, because it is, as I mentioned, it is just like percentage. So percentage involved, it is always between 0 and 1. So here we are putting 0.25 for 75 percentile. The same formula will apply percentile, and we have to select the array, and then we have to put k. So over here 0.75 and then enter. For standard deviation, there is a formula called STDEV. So this is the formula, fifth one, and then you have to select the entire range and hit enter. For variance, we have to, in variance we have to we can derive it from two ways. Like first is we can if we square the standard deviation by multiplying it twice, this number, it will give us variance of this data set. So, and another approach is like we can use var formula. Var is over here. So we can just select the entire marks over here and hit enter. See, these are identical. So this is the variance formula. Now we have to get the second largest of this data. So we will do it by putting large formula, large, and selecting the entire array. And the second for k we have to give the value. So for second position we will select 2, and that's it, second largest. And the third largest is this one, third smallest. Sorry, third smallest is we have to use small formula. For small formula, again we have to select the entire array and then put 3 as third smallest. This is this third smallest. And now last function is rank. Rank we can use the rank formula directly by selecting this third option. And we have to select the number first. So from this marks, we will take this number, and then for reference, we have to select the entire data set. And for order, we have to either select ascending or descending. As of now, I'm selecting descending, and we before that we have to freeze this cell because we want to drag this, and we can do this by pressing F4.